welcome to today's video. We are going to read a book, and the book that we're going to read is Commotion in the Ocean. Commotion means when we move around, and I see lots of ocean animals. I bet we're going to read about all kinds of ocean animals in our book today. Hi, my name is Gina Antrim. I'm an SLP and AAC therapist, and I have been for the past 9 years. While we're reading our book today, I will be providing aided language input using the WordPower vocabulary from Satilla on a poster board. All right, let's open our book and get ready to go. Commotion in the ocean. Remember, commotion means when you move around. Bubbles! I love bubbles. We get to pop them. And it looks like they're in the blue water. Commotion in the ocean. There's a starfish in that scuba diving hat. Commotion in the ocean. There's a commotion. There's a curious commotion at the bottom of the ocean. I think we ought to go and take a look. You will find every sort of creature that lives beneath the sea, swimming through the pages of this book. There are dolphins, whales, and penguins. There are jellyfish and sharks. Ooh. There's the turtle and the big white polar bear. But can you see behind the wrecks and in between the rocks? Let's take a look and find who is hiding there. Oh, if we look through the window, we see all kinds of animals and plants that live in the ocean. All right, let's read some more. So we're going to turn our page. Crab. This is a crab. The crab, he likes walking sideways. And I think the reason why is to make himself look sneaky and pretend that he's a spy. Turtles. These are turtles. We crawl up from the water to bury our eggs on dry land. We lay a whole batch, and then they hatch. They scamper about in the sand. Looks like they're going to the water. They hatched from their eggs and they're going to go into the water. Dolphins. The wonderful thing about dolphins is hearing them try to speak. It's not, how do you do? As I would say to you, it's more of a click, whistle, squeak. Angelfish. Hello, I am the angelfish. Darling, the prettiest thing in the sea. What a shame. There are no other creatures as gorgeous and as lovely as me. Woo, she is pretty. Look at those lips. Jellyfish. The jellyfish just loves loves to jiggle, which other fish think is quite dumb. She knows that it's not all that useful, but jiggling is lots of good fun. All right, let's turn the page. Shark. I swim with a grin up to greet you. See how my jaws open wide. Why don't you come a little closer? Please take a good look inside. No, don't do it. Don't go inside. He's gonna eat you. Oh, I always feel scared when I see sharks. Swordfish. I love to chase after small fishies. It keeps me from getting too bored. And then when I start to feel hungry, which means that he wants to eat, I skewer a few on my sword. He looks like he's gonna get those little fish. Uh-oh. And here's octopus. I like octopus. Having 8 arms can be useful. You may think it looks a bit funny, but it helps me to hold all of my children and tickle each one on the tummy. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Stingray. At the bottom of the ocean, the stingray, he flaps his wings. But don't you get too close to him. His tail, it really stings. So you can touch their wings, but don't touch the tail. Lobsters. Never shake hands with a lobster. It isn't a wise thing to do. With a clippity clap and a snippity snap, he would snip all of your fingers into 2. Ouch. That would hurt. Ooh. This page, it looks scary because it's so dark. Deep sea, miles below the surface, where the waters dark and deep, live the most amazing creatures that you could ever meet. There are fish of all descriptions, of every shape and size. Some have giant, pointy teeth, like this one, and great, big, bulging eyes, like this one. Some of them, they can walk around, like this one, and balance on their fins. But the strangest fish of all have glowing whiskers on their chins. Like this one. I don't think that I would like going down to the deep part of the ocean. A blue whale. There's no other beast on the planet as big as a giant blue whale. He measures a massive 100 feet long from his head to the tip of his tail. Whew! He is big, isn't he? And look, he's big, but there is something little down on his belly. Barnacles. Those are called barnacles, those little spots. We're just a bunch of barnacles, and all we do is cling. We know it's not that glamorous, but it's our favorite thing. So they just like to stick to the belly of the whale. All right, let's turn our page. Walruses. Walruses. Our bodies are covered with blubber, and our tusks are incredibly long. We're grumpy and proud, and we bellow it out loud to show that we are mighty and strong. They do like to show each other that they are mighty and strong. Can you show me how strong you are? Show me your muscles. All right, let's read some more. I'm going to turn the page. Penguins. We waddle around on our iceberg, which makes our feet slither and slide. And when we get too close to the water, we leap with a splash off the side. I like when I go to our zoo and we get to see the penguins. They jump off the ice and into the water, and they make a big splash. Okay, polar bears. Deep out in the Arctic, the mommy polar bear snuggles up with all of her children. Since it's very, very cold out there. Aww, they love each other. Okay, we're going to turn the page. What a lot of creatures we have seen beneath the sea. What a lot of funny things they do. Some of them might lick their lips and eat you in one bite. And some might want to swim around with you. That would be the dolphin, remember? The dolphins, they're friendly. And the lobsters, very fierce. But the shark, he's the most dangerous of all. I always feel scared, remember, when I see a shark. Can you name the other friends we've made along the way? See if you can tell me who they are. Look in the picture. Do you remember any others? Who was your favorite? I think that I like the jellyfish the most. Who do you like the most? All right. Well, we have more bubbles in the water. And that is the end of our book. We got to the back, so we're at the end. Thank you for reading with me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this video, you can comment, share it, or subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.